Students, welcome back to Magic 101. As everyone knows, one of the most dangerous creatures, wild cobra, inhabits this desert. In today's lesson, I will teach you a new spell to defend yourself from wild cobra. Now, I need one volunteer to help me demonstrate this spell. Jack, come forward.
Sure thing, Professor.
Now, everybody step back. Tremilio Castle.
What's happening, guys?
Wow! So, Professor, how does it work?
Students, let me explain it to you. First, what you just observed is liquefaction. Liquefaction commonly occurs during earthquake. All my spell did was to induce shaking to the soil underneath Jack. For this spell to work, the soil needs to be sandy and saturated. Luckily, this desert is filled with this kind of sand.
Oh, Professor, so how does liquefaction work?
That's a good question, Steve. Before the shaking happens, the soil is loose and the pressure of the water inside the soil is low. The effective stress is high enough for soil to support the people and any buildings on top of the surface. However,
Wait, what is effective stress?
Steve, what did I say about interrupting? Anyway, effective stress is directly related to the compressive strength and the shear strength of the soil. The father of the geotechnical engineer, Terazaki, defined effective stress as the differences between total stress of the soil and pore water pressure. Total stress can be calculated by multiplying the unit weight of the soil with the soil depth. Now, going back to liquefaction. When I cast the spell to shake the soil starts to contract. The contraction will start to reduce the space between each soil particles and start to squeeze the water in those spaces. Because water is incompressible, the water pressure starts to increase. If the total soil stress does not change and the water pressure starts to increase, as a result, effective stress will decrease. What we can see is a direct consequence due to the loss of soil strength. In another word, decrease of the effective stress. Now, it's time for you to try.
So we're not going to help Jack?